Welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Beehive. So this week we're doing mukbang. So I'm doing Asian food. We have some spicy garlic noodles here, chicken and vegetable dumplings, shrimp fried rice, and then we are making chicken and cream cheese rolls. it's just chicken, cream cheese, green onion, and it's in like a spring roll or egg roll wrap. So now we are going to make everything, start on our chicken cream cheese rolls. We have to cook some chicken here, so yeah, let's go do this. We are about to wait.
The Budweiser Select 55. It's 1.9 gram carbs.
1.9.
Okay, so we're about to make some mimosas too, by the way.
Welcome to Jaelyn's mukbang. Boo. We got them homemade.
Here, you can just put it back there again, so it can get everybody.
This is the biggest.
There's no way we're eating all this food.
Here, make.
Okay, we're about to get started. So I'm gonna start with
Gotta be some.
a chicken cream cheese roll.
I'll just do my dances again.
Oh my gosh,
Should we introduce ourselves?
I'm Peggy.
I'm gonna get this one because it's really crisp.
That one's busted.
So tell me what everything is. I already did that.
These are spicy as hell. These are fiery garlic
These need to be more
noodles.
cooked.
You think so? Should they?
It's fine. I mean, they're just not like crispy.
The chicken's already cooked.
Yeah.
That's true.
And these are vegetable chicken dumplings.
Try the sauce on
Shrimp
it.
fried rice and eggs.
You made this?
And that random sauce that Jaelyn made.
What is it?
Just just be the only one with chopstick.
I'm sorry, y'all. I bought these. I don't have any.
I'm scared. Everyone else trying them. Are they good?
We need to go rob China Man.
Are they gross?
What's wrong with it?
There we go. There's no new roll.
They're not sweet.
What
like
is
China
this?
Gourmet.
Soy sauce.
They probably put sugar in there, didn't you?
You're right. Them bitches
You
lied.
put sugar in your cheese?
It's the lime for me. Did you? What's that sauce taste like?
This sauce? It's sweet and spicy.
I said I'm
Oh,
outside.
you want some? I can make some more. It literally took like 30 seconds.
You took 30 seconds. No, literally. No.
Hey y'all. We didn't forget about you.
I just already know that dance. It's important.
Should we eat these noodles?
They're just so hot. I think so. You may be like, this is some spicy.
I like
Oh.
spicy.
They're hot as hell. I'll tell you that right now.
I always put just half the packet in them because I'm, and I poured 3 different packets in there. So.
What'd you do today?
Not good. Woke up. Got a roll.
Got it.
That bodysuit's cute.
Only thing from the hair store. I got the pink
You
one,
get the
white one, and
best
the
stuff
white.
at the hair store.
Okay. You can't get everything. You gotta get the real cute stuff. Or else you looking like all these hoes in the street. Okay, so. I'm struggling.
It tastes like tuna. That chicken tastes like tuna.
That's what it smelled like that, and that's why I was just like,
What if it is tuna?
It's not.
It smells like tuna. Does that mean it's bad?
You don't think the roll tastes like tuna, kind of?
It kind of does smell like tuna. Why does
It says chicken breast.
Just lie.
It does.
They say hot dog, but then it be pig intestines.
oh my god, I love hot
I'm
dogs.
scared.
We got tuna and cream cheese rolls.
Not today.
They should have salmon.
Should we like ask some questions or something? Something
Answer,
interesting.
they break it. I'm kidding. You said each other. Oh, each other questions.
Answer. We played a game.
I wish the speaker was right there. I was so much I hear this song.
One like 50 of them and just.
New Vienna, Ohio.
That's my old. It's like, what kind of?
Okay.
What's the category?
Cars.
Oh Lord.
Okay, are you gonna go first?
These noodles are too damn soggy.
That's what I said. We left. We. Okay.
Okay. BMW.
My turn. Lexus.
Range Rover.
Toyota.
Honda.
Rolls Royce.
Hyundai.
Aston Martin.
Land Rover.
Lamborghini.
G-Wagon. What brand is that?
Mercedes.
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Drink.
This is hard. Oh, okay.
Are we doing different categories?
I'm out, right?
Different category. Yeah, you're out. You can't play. Good night.
Carlo Remote Romeo.
What?
Wait,
That's
we're
a
doing
real-
a different form? Oh.
Let's do sea animals.
Sea turtle.
Yeah.
Narwhal.
Octopus.
Clownfish.
Seal.
Sea bass.
Jellyfish.
Manatee.
Platypus.
Squid.
A crab.
I don't think I think you need to drink.
What she
Is that
say?
land animals? Oh my god.
Very
They're like half.
Oh.
They're half land, half, but
They're
they're
not
really
in the
land
sea.
for real.
They're land for
They're
real.
not from the ocean.
Yeah, they can be like a lake.
So they don't have to. They don't have to be in water at all.
I said
No, they
sea
can. They can
animals.
swim and stuff. But
But
they
they're
don't.
not-
They
They
can't
don't
breathe
stay
underwater.
there. Yeah, they don't stay there.
I don't want to talk.
Not
about
breathe underwater. I mean, that's what a fish do.
Very
Shut up.
They're like half a beaver, half a muskrat. Ooh. What if my dad watched
My mom.
You're just now thinking about that.
it? Yeah.
My mom be like, you don't even sound right cussing. I'm like, dang.
You know, just in the video.
And then I'm done because I'm just.
This makes you want to go get you cream cheese.
You should
I'm
like
like,
these rolls too. We should.
She be making sure everybody does her shit before she leaves.
Who?
You. I mean, honestly,
Sometimes I'm like clean.
that's
Around
I get
and then
irritated when I send everybody and then have to do everything sometimes.
oh fuck.
She said.
I think I'm done eating. Thanks for watching. Tune in to next week.